that often the principle of karma is presented as a philosophy of judgment. And there is some truth to that, but the key mood of the Bhagavad-gita, of the Bhagavatam, of the Ramayana, of the Mahabharata, is not that karma is a philosophy of judgment. It is a philosophy of encouragement. What is the difference between judgment and encouragement? Judgment means, you have done something bad, that's why you are suffering. Suffer. But, if that were the focus, then it would be patently unfair to subject someone to suffering without telling them what they did to have to suffer that. If we are fired from a company, if we are fired from our job and we are given no explanation why we are fired, we would consider that outrageous. But that's how karma seems to work. Now it's interesting that although Krishna is with Arjuna and Krishna tells Arjuna that Bahuni me vetitani janmani tavacha Arjuna, that both of us have lived many lives, tani ham veda sarvani tvam vettah parantapa. I remember all of them, you don't remember any of them. But still, although Krishna says this, Krishna does not give Arjuna any flashback. That in your past life you are so and so, and Bhishma was so and so, and Drona was so, and he did this, and you did this, and he did this, and that's why you have to fight now. Now, Krishna does not give this, and Arjuna also does not ask this. So the idea is that overall, I haven't seen anywhere in scripture where someone is suffering and others tell them you are suffering because of your own karma. So when Draupadi is dishonored, nobody tells her it's because of your own karma you are suffering. When Sita is abducted, nobody says you must have done something because of which Ravana came and abducted you. No, nowhere do we see like that. When Prithu Maharaj has his citizens coming to him and saying that, we are starving, there is a famine in the kingdom. He doesn't say it's your own bad karma because of which you are suffering. No. But the point of karma is that how is it a philosophy of encouragement? That our actions matter, even if they don't seem to matter. Our actions matter, even if they don't seem to. So when we are going through a phase of bad karma, so I may be doing good, but still I may not be getting good results. But that doesn't mean my actions are not important. My actions are still important. And the actions will produce good results. It may take some time, but the results will come.